Hey friends, welcome back. In the last episode, we learned about templates. Today, we'll explore exception handling in C++, a way to make our programs robust and error-proof. An exception is an event that occurs during program execution. Usually, errors like division by zero, invalid input, or file errors. Exception handling allow us to catch these errors and handle them gracefully instead of crashing the program. This here is the basic syntax of exception handling. In C++, exception handling uses three keywords. Try, the block where code might throw an exception, and then throw, keyword to throw an exception. Catch, the block to handle the exception. Let's understand this program. Here we declare two variables a and b of data type integer. With the try, we are checking if b is equal to 0. If that's true, the program throws an exception and prints division by 0 error. And the catch block handles it instead of crashing. You can also have multiple catch blocks to handle different exception types. Let's say we write here try throw 10, which is an integer exception, and with catch we can say int I. Let's write here integer exception caught, and then here write I. Let's write one more catch statement. The 3.catch block catches an exception that doesn't match the earlier types. You can also throw objects of any class. Let's write one code and see. Here we declared a class myException with the data member message, and in the public we declared a constructor initialization list and then created a function display which displays our message. In the main, we are writing our try throw catch statements. This allows you to create custom exceptions with more information about the error. Please remember these key points and then solve this challenge. Create a program that takes two integers from the user and divides them. Throw an exception if the denominator is 0. Catch the exception and display a custom error message. If you completed the challenge, drop a shield in the comments. Like, share and subscribe, and in the next episode, we'll explore STL in C++, starting with vectors and lists, making our programs more efficient and powerful.